sanibonani emakhaya igama lami ngondapho ekhumalo ngivele tips on 36 bafithi ngize ngisikhali la bafithi 2 months back ngeke ngatshela ngeFacebook kodwa ngizange ngithathele ekhanda ngithe mangithi ngiyangena khona iFaceTime yami ngabona ukuthi akuntombi kuyayiyela kodwa ngahlangana nomuntu engikuqala ngafike ngayishela yangivuma after 5 days ngamangala hawo kenzakalani asingifuni yangicela ama 5 rand kho ithali 5 rand
mina ngijabulile ukuthi le relationship iphele uba bengimtshela ukuthi Facebook amanga bafo njalo baby ngicela i-airtime Telkom baby ngicela i-airtime ethena Telkom baby ngicela i-airtime e20 Telkom thina besingasawazi amakota hlezi thina ama-airtime njalo bafo loyo ngitshela ukuthi Facebook amanga
abona into ethetha Facebook ke maka fela yabo and bari kasikhowa bari if you end in tears cabanga nje ubaba watshontsha imali waqala ku5 rand athengela nentombi yakhe ama-airtime cabanga nje ama-airtime waze wafika ku100 rand cabanga amtshele dasu ukuthi una how many years usingile
5 years
engathaba kuzwanga ubatshela 5 years won 5 years
won for mina vele bekasinyeka ema ngimcela iponi ungitshela ngeFacebook ukuthi nginokugame mina mthengele itha bisibona ngayo vele bekanyuka yedwa khona la emakashana anjangayi kubzama
bafo i-interview le qhubeka
yes mama nginyuka ngegubhu vele angitshoda ngeke ngiboni nganethi ngisho noma ngifune yogwayi ukuthi ngizambazame angitshoda phela kayikhaza liyashaya mawufuna igubhu phela ematraining ayikawulethi igubhu sibale.
As I said, this is my first child. As I said, he's tricky, but it's not its fault. This child looks like me. Forehead. This is like my child. I told him to stop using free mode, but can't you see? He's busy following people, but he has 2 likes. I don't know what's wrong with him. Must leave girls.
so kasi Facebook so
Ya, hoza.
kanitshela nkomo
Soyikhatha, hoza.
hayi mina kuphinde kawangeke kalo kanti iFacebook so
Tana, i-interview ubheka ikhamera, what the?
oh phela nathi mina ngitshela ukuthi mas actor stay camera
Yes, age. I-interview ra.
kumele bani
awukhiki
baba zwakali la bantu lawo sonenkinga
Hayi, seyami le. Le? Angazi. Phansi.
ntana udelela uphumba
Phumba bona ya bafethu na ingane kabafu and ubafu
Ngengifokela amafede ne-arthur
Bafonazi
kamnandi madoda intombi yomngane wami iphekwa kamnandi madoda ineneko yomodombolo iphekwa kamnandi madoda angenani madoda